All right, so it has come to my attention that the little schedule here on 2.1 is oftentimes not being able to be filled out. One thing I'd go ahead and to fix it, it's actually not too hard. Just double click on the schedule and it'll bring up the schedule, right? You're probably unhiding all so you can see your sort if you watch the video. But in order to make these guys work, if you can't fill them out, go ahead and go to the fields down here. And you'll see the fields, right? Like there's the mark and the type and the fire rating. Just take the fire rating and shove it over to the left. And grab this assembly fire rating and push it over to the right. And do the same thing with the STC. And shove that over to the right. Okay, and then click OK. And now you should be able to come in and fill those out. The other thing you want to make sure of, and you can change this up here, you could change this title to whatever you want. If you want to get rid of the assembly thing up here, you can just get rid of it. And that should make you able to do that. The other thing I would say is if you go to the title page, it has this little thing up here. And go ahead and do this, which is basically going to your Manage tab and going to your shared parameters, which is right up here under Settings. And there's a shared parameters file, and just browse to the Revit folder. You have that Revit folder here that you downloaded with the zip file that has your Revit file in it. Just go ahead and pick the IDC2 shared family parameters text and make sure that that's the one that's current. And then just click OK, and then you can save it. Everything should be fine.